uKhulisa Mdawu washo ukuthi a good dancer knows when to leave a stage. Washo uKhulisa Mdawu abhala ku-Instagram. I think it's high time for Mamelodi Sundowns supporters to accept ukuthi some players, they've reached the ceiling. No longer give us anything. Abasiniki lutho. Into abayenzako manje, they are becoming a liability to our team. Without a few favor. Players who we think they are big, they are considered to be one of the best players in the country. Abaniki Sundowns lutho at the moment. We have players that have won everything for themselves. It's time for them to hang up our boots. We have seen them, we appreciate them, thanks for their service. What a poor first half of it. It's no longer even hating to watch Sundowns losing. The way we have adapted, some of us, to whatever that is happening. We have players who are not willingly to perform for the badge. They are tired. But bahola. Akwenzeki bafethu ukuthi iSundowns ibe nama shot of target amaningi more than ama shot on target. Just gadla akupractice nje ukora. Akupractice nje ukushaya ipalini. UThoko Mokoena Nkosi yami ukumele asikhethele ukuthi yena ufuna ukuyosirepresenta esquadini then atrain kuSundowns. Credit to second half substitutions. Bashintshela igame for real. uThemba Zwane no-Arthur Salezi bafana ngiyanivuma. Nolibo Muthiba, he tried bafethu. uHelen Marinasi kwamele akuye on form. Siyamdinga ngempela. Ayisebenzi lento yakhe yokuthola ama-chances amaningi bese akhetha ukushaya phezulu emapalini. We understand ukuthi i-trapping inkinga, but kumele switch on. Kumele switch on bafethu. I-train lagijima. Abantu abakhathile i-league uyababona. Ukusacrifice ama-fullback, it was one of the best decisions I've ever seen ku-Coach Cardoso since isizini iqalile. Because bebangasiniki lutho obvious. Khulisa Mdawu nje phambili angazinabeka enzani Nkosi yami. Vele nakwazi nokcrossa. Besisiza la kuRonon Williams. Yes, sometimes we understand ukuthi uRonon Williams is the best goalkeeper that we have kuSundowns. But now sometimes kwamele realize ukuthi izinto azenzako ziya cost team. And akwenzeki ukuthi each and every season kwamele iSundowns iphuma kuma-tournament because of such mistakes that they make as experienced players. I don't blame Ukike Johannes that much for making pass Liana. You're wrong, but I don't blame him. It's lack of game time. Akekho wrong Mjita. You learn through playing. Right, Gabi. Ron Williams so sometimes you must learn how to clear the ball. Ngesikhathi I will hold the ball for so long. Yo. I understand what's going on team bafethu. Kuningi nje. It seems like Sundowns it's tired of winning the league. Abeniki Pirates. Because they are pulling up for Yona. They're making sure they're utilizing their chances that they get in grabbing our points. But welcome to Sundowns, kings of draw. It's no longer fun.